Martyn Jones, Jones by name, but not from Portmarnock, Martyn, I gather.
No, brought up in Ebervale, grew up in Colchester and now living in Frodsham, Cheshire.
So what's your connection with Portmarnock Football Club?
Well, I used to have a caravan in Portmarnock and came along and watched a number of games over the years and don't have that anymore, but still get along to a lot of the away games, and this is my first game this season at the Tref. Yeah.
We've seen you in many away games. What type of game did you see today on the Tref?
Type of game today, I thought the lads gave it a really good effort. They kept plugging away. I kept shouting at Reece to keep gambling because I felt he was the one that was going to unlock the key to finding the net. Yeah, I thought the lads gave it a good showing, and Denbigh grew into the game, and credit to them, they held fast.
And with the effect of being in Portmarnock, you've got a bit of Welsh as well.
Yeah, dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg gyda Duolingo. But I'm a bit better at reading than I am at speaking, to be honest.
Well, diolch yn fawr, Martyn, a croeso i'r Tref.
Yeah, diolch.